guys, Marley Stan Productions here. I'm Marley, this is Stanley, and if you're wondering why his next one was, Stan, just do it. This is one of Stan's secret talents that only some people know. He's at the top of the door. Look. Hey, Stan.
Hello, I have a bad cough.
Yeah, but he has a bad cough. He's not going to go to school for some reason.
Because I have a bad cough, boy.
Also, if you're watching this,
Yeah.
follow our TikTok at Smiley. Why it's called Smiley is because
Smiley.com.
no, it's at Smiley78.
Yeah, Smiley.
My granddad calls me Smiley, so I did that. I was at his house and I made it.
And look, Smiley's Smiley, do something.
Alright.
Just I'm gonna do what I'm doing. Look.
Well,
I'm gonna do it again.
okay. If you wanna, one like equals one more time. Stanley does that. I don't even know what it's called.
One more time.
Yeah, one more time.
Was that a good one?
Yeah. This was a bit of a short vlog, but bye.